In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to Facebook Ads Manager, whether you're collaborating with a team or bringing someone new on board to help manage your Facebook advertising campaigns. It's essential to know how to easily share access to your Ads Manager account. So let's dive in and walk through this quick, straightforward process. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. A quick search on Google should bring you the link you need. You'll find Go to Ads Manager when you get there. Give that a click to proceed. Now it's time to log in. Enter your email and password into the provided fields and hit the login button. Remember to double check your details for any typos to avoid any login issues. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your campaign's dashboard. Next, look for the Ad Account Settings section, which you'll find conveniently located. Clicking on this option will open a new set of options tailored to manage your ad account. Here, you'll need to scroll down to a section titled Ad Account Roles. This is where you can define who gets access to your ad account and what they can do within it. You'll now want to click on Add People. This action will open a new window where you can add the person you'd like to give access to. Type in their name or email address, make sure you have the correct details so it reaches the right person. After you've entered the appropriate information, it's time to think about the level of access you want to provide. You'll see a role section right beneath where you entered the person's info. This part is crucial as it defines what responsibilities and permissions the individual will hold. Use the drop-down menu to select an appropriate role. Whether it's an admin, advertiser or analyst, choose carefully based on their responsibilities. Finally, once you're happy with the roles and permissions you've assigned, click on Confirm. This will finalize the process and officially grant the specified permissions to the person you've added. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to add someone to your Facebook Ads Manager. This feature not only allows you to manage who can access your account, but also ensures that tasks related to advertising can be delegated effectively among team members. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in enabling you to harness your team's full potential through Facebook Ads Manager. Stay tuned for more handy guides like this one.